At 8:42 this morning, we had a southbound semi-trailer driving on Route 59 and didn't clear the crossing completely. So what took place was we had a Canadian National train coming and basically hit the back end of the semi, resulting in two other vehicles being struck from the impact of the train. The gates were down and the lights were flashing and the train horn was audible. And the truck driver just failed to clear the crossing. There were minor injuries to the truck driver who was transported to the hospital. Other than that, the crossing is now clear and the roadway has been cleared.
Keep going, keep going. Jesus, all day long.